Hello everyone, my name is Han and I'm Vietnamese native speaker. Thank you so much for clicking on my videos and I hope you enjoy it. Now I will share you 5 reasons why you can love learning Vietnamese with me online on prepline.com. I have taught a lot of students from different countries such as Japan, America, China, India, and Korea. Students from different countries make different mistakes. Japanese students feel more troubled in pronouncing these pairs of vowels than other students from other countries. U and e and e. Because for them, they're almost the same. For some American students, they feel confused because they can't distinguish the consonant n and ng in some words like an and an. My Korean students now feel troubled in pronouncing the first consonant s. Most of Chinese students are very good at tones. Sometimes they also have trouble with vowels and To create effective 1-hour lesson, I have to prepare for many hours before the lessons. I always start the lesson with the goals of the lesson, and I work on each goal slowly and clearly so that you will have obvious view on what you will do on the lesson. So now I will show you some slides I have made recently for my students. I think this is the most amazing things that makes you more excited about. I will explain why I said you can review words all the life with $0. I use an app to help my students review all the words I teach them at each lesson. I make new tests and new games after our lessons. So actually, you enjoy reviewing the words through games. It is so powerful app. Now let's move on to see more about the app. 400 500 400 I have 3-year experience on teaching Vietnamese online and directly, so I have knowledge of using various tools online and know how to guide you to make your learning optimized most. I can speak 2 more languages. They are Japanese and English. From my point of view, learning like a child by using a lot of games, pictures, songs, and different activities is the best and fastest way to master a language. In my lesson, I focus on improving your ability of quick response and have basic conversation with others. I'm running a channel on YouTube called Vietnamese Word. If you search the phrase Vietnamese Word on YouTube, you can find my channel. And every week on Saturday, I will upload a new video. If you subscribe it, you can enjoy a lot of free lessons. Thank you so much for watching my videos until now. And if you decide to start Vietnamese and want to have a trial lesson with me, just book it on prepline.com and contact me. I hope we have a chance to learn together.